9 Hidden Features of Microsoft 365 CoPilot. 1. PowerPoint. Unleash your creativity. 2. Free access to GPT-4. Enjoy the benefits of the most advanced natural language processing system with CoPilot. To activate GPT-4, switch to Creative Mode. GPT-4 can help you write, edit, and optimize your documents, emails, and presentation slides. If you like such stuff, subscribe to my YouTube channel ITFO. 3. Excel and Word. Analyze your data with CoPilot's powerful formulas based on prompts, charts, and insights. CoPilot can also generate reports, summaries, and forecasts for you. Write with confidence and clarity with CoPilot's grammar, spelling, and style check, and also help you format, cite, and organize your Word documents. 4. Microsoft Copilot Studio. Streamline your workflow with Microsoft Copilot Studio, your one-stop solution for efficient project management. Create, edit, and share your videos with CoPilot's intuitive and professional video editing software, which can add captions, transitions, and effects to your videos. 5. Outlook. Manage your emails and calendar with CoPilot's smart filtering and prioritizing features. CoPilot can also help you write effective emails, set reminders, summarize unread emails, and follow up on important messages. 6. Teams. Collaborate with your colleagues and clients with CoPilot's seamless communication and file sharing features. CoPilot can also schedule meetings, track tasks, make notes, create agendas, and manage projects for you. 7. AI Navigation Assistant. Navigate the web with ease with CoPilot's AI Navigation Assistant. CoPilot can help you find what you need, answer your questions, and give you personalized recommendations in the digital world. 8. AI Reading Assistant. Make reading enjoyable and efficient with the AI Reading Assistant, adapting to your reading style and preferences. CoPilot can help you understand complex texts, highlight key points, and generate summaries for you. 9. Free AI Image Creation. Create images with CoPilot's free AI Image Creation feature that offers you free access to the incredibly powerful imager, DALL-E 3. CoPilot can help you draw, edit, and enhance your images with just a few clicks, transforming your imagination into stunning visuals.